the long, arduous task of plotting the senior Reggae Boyz path back to World Cup qualification continued with a credible draw against Cameroon away in Cameroon. Of course, for assignments like these, it's usually more about performances and learning points than the result. But at the same time, we don't want to get a big beating or any beating at all to mash up the psyche and destroy the confidence of the players. So it's a big balancing act between learning some lessons from a friendly game with a second string team and trying to get a decent result. I think for this Cameroon game, the Reggae Boyz and coach Heimer Hallgrimsson achieved both. And speaking of coach Hallgrimsson, things supposed to be taking shape in his mind by now as to what he has to work with, having now seen pretty much our best possible team with our top players and now a second string team with his fringe players. Coach Hallgrimsson supposed to have his analytics and his database for the core of players he wants to work with and get the team settled as soon as possible and nobody get caught up in the trap of looking and 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 looking, settle the thing over the look.